Hello students, you have learnt about adaptation of animals that live in water and those that live in both water and land, that is, amphibians. In this lesson, you shall learn about adaptation of terrestrial animals, that is, animals that live only on land, whether on, under, or above land surfaces. Adaptation of terrestrial animals. Recall that animals that live on land are referred to as terrestrial animals. Examples include goats, lions, dogs, elephants, chicken, monkeys, birds, ants, rabbits, and camels. The body of terrestrial animals are adapted to live on land. They can live in rainforest, savanna, grassland, or desert places. In these places, they may live on, under, or above the ground. Now, what do terrestrial animals have in common that enable them to adapt to terrestrial life? Adaptation of terrestrial animals. Most terrestrial animals that live on land share the following features or characteristics. They have well-developed sense organs which keep them aware of the presence of food or danger around them. They have lungs required for breathing on land. Insects, however, do not have lungs but breathe through special air holes in their body surface known as spiracles. They have scales on the body to reduce loss of water through the skin. They have limbs, legs for movement on land. Animals living under the ground. The terrestrial animals that live underground have features that help them adapt to that habitat. Some of these features include 1. Their limbs, that is, hands and legs, are modified for burrowing and digging. 2. They have modified eyes to see in dark places. Animals living above the land. Recall that some land animals live above the land, either on trees, rooftops, or in the air. Those that live on or in trees are known as arboreal animals. Examples include the flying squirrels, monkeys, apes, tree frogs, birds, and bats. Some of these animals only come to trees for shelter or food and later go back to the land. Animals that can fly and spend a lot of their time in the air are called aerial animals. We have examples like birds and bats. These animals have features adapted for flight and life in the air. Wings to fly instead of forelimbs. Hands. 1. They have hollow bones that make them light. 2. They have streamlined body to fly through air. 3. Their wings are attached to the body by a very strong flight muscles. 4. During very cold period, when food is scarce, some birds fly in group to warmer places. This is called migration. Conclusion. Plants and animals are able to survive in their particular habitats. The special distinguishing features and characteristics of plants and animals that enable them to survive in a particular habitat or surrounding are called adaptation. you.